The appeals of tiny homes are many, including the ability to custom design a home in an affordable way. However, even with a small house, it's difficult to know where to begin. If you're designing a custom tiny home, here are some key tips to consider. Window placement. When planning where to place your windows, think about the interior and exterior of the home. The interior floor plan is the key thing determining window placement. But if you only think inside and not outside, your exterior design might suffer. Keep how windows will appear outside by considering the size, shape, and symmetry of your windows. Research your style options to find the best fit for the aesthetic you're going for in your tiny home design. Siding. The main exterior siding material you choose makes an enormous difference in the longevity and aesthetic of your home. There are many materials available, including real wood, vinyl, metal, and specially manufactured siding. All have their merits and will determine the overall appeal of your tiny home from the outside. There are multiple styles available within the material categories, giving you plenty of opportunity to create the perfect vibe. Front door. The front door is the center of attention in your exterior home design. It's important to factor the door into your aesthetic and planning early to avoid it looking like a mismatched afterthought. Color is one way to make sure your front door works with your exterior, as well as material and style elements like windows. The right light fixtures and door coverings go a long way toward making any door fit cohesively with your design. Roofing material. Like siding, roofing material affects much more than just the appearance of your house. However, the roof line and shape can have a huge impact on the design. This is especially true with tiny homes. Consider whether you want to add extra height with dormers, or if you want a more modern appearance with horizontal overhangs. Remember, the roof style also makes a difference inside the house, especially for things like heating and cooling. These are the main things to consider when coming up with the design of your own tiny home. Keep these key factors in mind and you'll be able to create something unique that works for your needs.